Good morning, class. Last time we talked about the periodic functions, and I'm going to give you some more examples about the same. So this one is example 2. Example 2. Given a function f of x equals to cos x, find its period. Find its period p. So solution, just like I told you, step 1 is to recall the formula. F of x plus p equals to f of x. Applying it in our function, f of x equals to cos x, it implies that cos of x plus p equals to cos of x. So with the same, we recall the cosine expansion of this summation, which is written as cos of a plus b equals to cos of a cos of b minus sine of a sine of b. Applying this identity in our question, cos of x plus p will be equal to cos of x cos of p minus sine of x sine of p. So in this case, like I told you, p is the least positive, where 0 is not included in our case. So we shall take, because cos and sine in our cases here are trigonometrics, we shall take our periods to be from 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and so on, and so on. So from the given periods, that's where we are going to find the least p that will satisfy our formula f of x plus p equals to f of x. So I'm going to proceed with the working. So cos of x plus p equals to, let's take 0 cannot apply because 0 is not included in our period. So we shall begin with pi. So if we come and substitute it here, cos of x times cos of pi. Remember that cos of pi equals to -1. Cos of pi equals to -1. And if we take -1 here, we are working with this. If we take -1 multiplied by cos, it will be -x. And this one will not satisfy our formula that is denoted by this. So this cos will be negative, which will not apply. So pi is out. We go and try 2 pi. So if our p is 2 pi, what is cos 2 pi? Cos 2 pi equals to 1. If you substitute it here, cos of x times cos of 2 pi, because cos 2 pi is 1, it will be 1 times cos x, and then we'll get cos x. And let's see it in a line. Let's look at it nicely. So cos over x, cos over 2 pi minus sine of x, sine of 2 pi. So like I said earlier, sine 2 pi, sine pi, sine n pi is always 0. So because this sign is 0, it will collapse everything here to 0. And because we've said cos 2 pi equals to 1, it will be 1 times cos x. So which implies that if you take cos of x plus 2 pi, which is our period, will be equal to cos of x. So which implies that our period P will be equal to 2 pi. Our period P will be equal to 2 pi as required. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.